Start.
Hi guys, today will be a milk magic. It will be so colorful. We need to pour this milk in the plate. It looks like a moon. We need to add food color in the milk. I'm adding food color in the milk. The color is not moving. I'm to make a magic. 1, 2, 3. In soap, we added fat protein. The color move.
Three.
Hi kids, today we made the experiment with the milk. We added the food color, and once when we touched the food color with the soap, the food color moved away. Okay, so now we are going to see what is the science behind it. Okay, so now the experiment is called as milk magic or the milk rainbow. Okay, so before knowing that, we have to know about the fact what is the composition of the milk. The composition of milk is that 87.7% is water, 4.9% is lactose, 3.4% is fat, 3.3% is protein, and 0.7% is mineral. So the milk is having the major composition of water, fats and protein. Okay, so the soap solution, that is the detergent. While we are adding detergent, so the detergent gets attached to water, fat and protein. Okay, so now we are going to see the property of a detergent. The phosphate molecule present in the detergent, it breaks the protein and fat in milk. So what I told you, in milk you are having water, protein and fat. So the phosphate which is present in the milk, it is breaking the fat and protein. Okay. Now next is that the detergents, they decreases the surface tension. Now coming to the point, what is surface tension? Okay. So why the surface tension is decreased? Okay. Now we are going to see that. So this is water. Okay. The water, it is going to be highly positive. What is highly positive? It will give you the protons. Okay, and next is detergent. Detergent is highly negative. What is highly negative? It accepts the proton. So water gives the proton. Detergent accepts the proton. So due to this, what is happening? There is a decrease in surface tension in milk. Okay, so what is surface tension? The surface tension is the property of the surface of a liquid that allows it to resist the external force. So what is the external force? The external force is that you are putting the soap solution. So when you are putting soap solution, what is happening? There is the decrease in surface tension. Because what? The detergent getting attached towards the water. So when the detergent gets attached towards the water, so there is the decrease in surface tension. Okay. So now we are very clear what the detergent binding towards the water. Now let's see when the detergent binds to protein and fat. Okay. When the detergent binds to protein and fat, what is happening? So this is the fat and this is the protein. Okay. The detergent is having the phosphate molecule. What I told you, the detergent is always heavily negative. So it accepts what? The proton. Okay. So it accepts the proton from fat and protein. So what is happening? It denatures the structure of fat and protein. So that the fat protein, what it is happening, it is getting bended, twisted and rolling. So due to this external force applied to protein and fat, so what the protein is happening, could you see it is getting twisted, bended and it is getting denatured. Once the protein and fat, they are getting denatured, so what is happening, they are moving towards in the direction, and that's why what, when you are keeping the soap solution, the color move towards the edges of the plate. Now next is that this is the same concept which is applied in dishwash soap or detergent, everything. Okay, the same concept is used in the dirt removal. When your clothes are getting dirt, if you are using detergent, what is happening, it removes the dirt. And grease, when you are having grease in your hand, okay, that is the fat molecule. So if you are adding the soap, what will happen, the fat molecules get denatured, and while you are washing the hand with water, it goes away. And same technique is applied in dishwashing. While your plates is filled with full of food items, or your spoon is contaminated, or your spoon is getting dirt, what, when you are adding the dishwasher, what is happening, it removes all the dirt. Okay, so I hope you liked this experiment and liked the concept. Bye.